Our website for our resume and portfolio is almost complete, and one of the last things we're going to do is optimize it for the search engines. So to do so, let's go to plugins and hit add new. Then let's search for the SEO plugin by Yoast. Let's install it and then activate the plugin. And so it says SEO issue, your theme contains a meta description which blocks WordPress SEO from working properly. So basically what this is talking about is for this theme, if you remember, it had this part and theme options where it asks us for a meta description, and it kind of interferes with the WordPress SEO plugin. So if you're going to use this WordPress SEO plugin, then all we have to do is go to SEO. This is the icon or area for this plugin. We'll go to General. And right here it says the same thing. It's this meta description thing is kind of interfering with it. So if you're going to use this theme, then just click Fix It. Sorry, if you're going to use this plugin, just click Fix It. And so basically what it did is it says it removed the meta description. So yeah, there's no conflict. So if you're using this plugin, just do that, and then now we're all good. So let's go optimize the home page for search engines, and we'll do that by going to SEO, hovering over that, and clicking on titles and metas. Then we'll click on home page, and in here we'll grab our SEO title and just paste it right in there, and then our meta description we'll just paste or write it right into there and hit save changes. So our home page is all good, but we also need to optimize each specific page if we want to for SEO. So if we want to optimize the resume page, for instance, let's navigate over to the resume page. And then if we scroll down, here we have this WordPress SEO by Yoast. So in here, the SEO plugin will automatically create an SEO title, but we can put in our own custom one. And then for meta description, let's put in our meta description. And remember, the SEO title, you want to make sure you have good keywords in here like resume, experience, education, skills, because the algorithm takes this into account. But you also want it to be readable because people are going to be seeing it in the search results. And then for the meta description, this is not used for the Google's algorithm. It's strictly for people to see and read, and you want to get them to understand what the website is about, what the page is about, so that they actually click through to it. So we have our title, our meta description. Here we can put any focus keywords to make sure that we have them in the right places. So we'll just put resume and hit enter. Scroll down, and so it's in all the right places, but it's not in the content. So for this keyword, or if I have other keywords I want to really focus on, if you can, try to get them into the content, but make sure they're occurring naturally. So if you can't put it in without it seeming unnatural, then maybe you shouldn't put it in. If you can though, then that's great. So welcome to my resume. I could say something like that. Smiley face. Hit update. Now if I scroll down, it checks out. I have this focus keyword in all the right places. But again, you may want to consider leaving it out of your content, for instance, if you can't put it in a natural way. But yeah, that's how you optimize this page for SEO. And so any other pages on the site, it would just be going through the same process. One thing to keep in mind about the SEO plugin by Yoast is that when it's activated, for some reason, some of the fields on the resume page, so the employment, education, and skills, they cannot be edited. So if I click on edit right here, nothing happens when the SEO plugin by Yoast is activated. For some reason, it causes that. So if you are using the SEO plugin by Yoast and you need to edit one of these fields, very simply go to Installed Plugins, scroll down, WordPress SEO, just deactivate it, and then when you go back to the resume page, we'll go back. Now when we click on it, now we can edit all of these fields just fine. So if you do need to make some edits, just go ahead, deactivate it, make the edits, and then go back to installed plugins once you're done making your edits, and then just reactivate it as is, and you're all set.